There goes Chad Vara, 39157 from Avanti West Coast, passing by here at Watford Junction on the West Coast Mainline. Here comes 60029, working as going from Leicester LIP to I think Wembley or somewhere like that. Ben Nevis. I seen him earlier when I was on my journey down here at Coventry. 350, 250 and 261 brought me in from from Milton Keynes Central, working a service to London Euston. As I was getting myself set up, 390-128 passed by with a service up north, heading up north. Sat over here is a bunch of 710s. You got 710, 376, 261, and two others for London Overground. They're just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. I'm guessing there's some form of engineering works or something hidden on the Watford DC line, because there's replacement buses between here and I think Harrow and Wildstone. Sat over there is for Southern is 377706. We'll be working the 1452 Southern service at Clapham Junction. I think that's just about everything you need to know. Oh, you need to know this. You've seen plenty of services from Avanti West Coast, London Northwestern Railway, Southern, and yeah, Freight as well. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what shall arrive, depart, and pass by here at Watford Junction. Okay, now about to pass by is going to be another 66. It's going to be a 66. Still need to get myself set up on RTT, so let's give me a minute. There's another Pendolino coming as well.
Please stand back.
Pendolino is 390-050. 569. 659, one or two. I think it was 569, yeah. I'll have to have a look at real-time train and see what he was doing. Okay, so I've just looked at real-time trains. The 66 was working for my K8 from Felixstowe to Ditton. The Pendolino that passed by going north, the one that passed by next to him, was going to Manchester. 10269 to Manchester.
Service to Tring.
I think the other one, I haven't got a clue. Now the parting is going to be the 1452 Southern service to Clapham Junction. I think that's just about everything you really need to know, to be honest. And there's some 350s behind me. 35407 on the front. Off to Tring. 244 on the rear. Can beat a 352. Well, you can. Okay, now approaching will be a DRS Classic 6 working 4 Lima 48 from Daventry to Tilbury. (66427). Hello there. And we have another Pendolino coming. $391.53. I'll have to look on real-time trains for where that Pendolino's off to and get back to you. I could look at Traxi as well, to be fair. Okay, now back to back with 350-258 with the heavily delayed 1433 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Northampton. Yeah, he was cancelled between Birmingham and Northampton due to train crew issues, and I think that's a story of most other trains today, especially for London Northwestern. (116) on the rear. I'm seeing other passengers.
May I have your attention?
Okay, now approaching will be 390.013 for Avanti West Coast, working it's 1 Bravo 44 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, and there's another 350 pulling in as well. And I need to tie my shoelace. Hello, Jesus, you dropped me leading tablet there. Blackpool Bell.
Wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the
And another one. City of Coventry 39136. And then there's this 66764. For GBRF working. What's he working? What's he doing? 4 Mike 47 from London Gateway to Hams Hall.
Stand behind the yellow line.
Right, and this 350 on platform number 9 is the 1502 from Tring to London Euston. I think everything is just about going down now, so that's good. 35368 on the front of this. Advertising Resorts World Birmingham International. On the rear is 350-237. I believe this is from Manchester. Hello there. 390.008. Macintosh. Yeah, you're a little bit late, Anne. I'm not gonna lie.
Wheelchairs.
You're a little bit late.
Stand
Kind of already
behind
passed
the yellow
by.
line.
Luckily he won't go in that fast so he doesn't end up blowing people off the platform there. Okay, now approaching will be 39154, working 1 Mike 11 from Glasgow Central to London Euston.
Wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of delays today. I think London Northwestern are cancelling half their services because like it's just I think there's like ASLEF strikes, isn't there? Which means that a lot of services are getting cancelled, and I think a lot of London Northwestern's staff aren't turning up, so they're having to cancel half their trains. Okay, now approaching will be a pair of 350s working 1 Yankee 4-2 from Birmingham to London. (35126) on the front, stuntable train. 108 on the rear. There goes Alston Pendolino 390-104 off to somewhere up north. I shall just take a look now at Traxi. 1 Hotel 27 to Manchester. Okay, we've got another pair of 350s here working 1 Uniform 32 from Crewe to London. 370 and 255. And our current corners we have another pair of 350s working 1 Yankee 45 from London to Birmingham.
Or on trains. This includes e-cigarettes.
Okay, I think he's going over here. Is he? Yeah, he is. What? Oh no, he's stopping. Alright.
Of the 1515 London North.
Ah, right, yeah. 1515 to Tring. 35105 on his own. Double live train. This will be the Birmingham train.
This train has 4 carriages. Please note that this train
Hello, 260 and 113. Those are the two that brought me down to Milton Keynes earlier when I was on my way down here. And on the move over here, there's another 350 coming in. I think he's stopping. Just been absolutely bombarded by 350s here. Yeah, this will be the 1516 from Milton Keynes to London. $354.05, and I guess he has someone on the rear, so I'll get that when he departs. Okay, he's off. $232 on the rear. Go away, wasp. As soon as you get a little bit of warm weather, the wasps just come straight out. I can't just let you enjoy it. Okay, now approaching will be 390.043 for Avanti West Coast, working 1 Alpha 42 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
61016. See it, say it, sorted.
I am also expecting something to be passing by for Freightliner, working 4 Lima 46 from Lawley Street to London Gateway. My money's on a 66. We'll just have to wait and see. Okay, here comes our little Freightliner something from Lawley Street to London Gateway. Still not too sure what it is. I think if it was a 70 you'd hear it. Could be 90s maybe? Nah. Most likelihood is it's a 66. There we go. I'm correct. As... well, I was going to say as always, but you know. $66585. What else we got? Looks like we got a terminating southern service coming in as well from Clapham Junction. I'll start recording again when he gets a little bit closer.
That's the 15:30 London Northwestern Railway service to Milton Keynes Central has been cancelled. This is due to a shortage of train crew.
You don't even need to tell us what it's due to anymore, to be fair. 377-703. I must admit, I do like 377s. I don't know, they've got a bit of character to them. Don't know what it is, but there's just something about them. I do like them. Here's 390.045 working 1 Alpha 45 from Manchester to London. Name tag Birmingham Pride.
Overground service to Harrow and Wealdstone.
Okay, now approaching will be a Freightliner Classic 6 working 4 Mike 87 from Felixstowe to Trafford Park. There's also a Voyager about to pass by going to Chester. 1 Delta 89 to Chelsea. He's running about 15 minutes late.
Wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind.
2 to 1, whatever he wants to be. 66597 here. I think it was 2 to 1 triple 1. Or 117. Or anything other than 101 really. 31117. And there's a helicopter. Class. Okay, now departing with 1532 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Tring. 350-244 is on the front. On the rear is 35407. Have we already seen him today? I don't know. We might get a few repeats here today, I'm not gonna lie. And the next freight train we're going to see has got some form of, for some reason, has got 70 vibes about it. Do you just look at a freight train that's about to pass by through a station and you've just got a feeling it's a 70? 4 Mike 61 Southampton MCT to Trafford Park. What's that usually? This is the 1534 London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham to London. 35121 on the front. I'll get the read when he departs. Do you know what? I was absolutely right. The London train's off as well.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 8 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs.
Woohoo! 70,004. This is 390-118 going to Glasgow. .266 is on the rear of the London train. That 70 sounded absolutely gorgeous. That's the thumbnail decided. Pretty much a spit of the Milton Keynes one, wasn't it? Unless we get something else. Well, to be fair, we did get the 60 as well, so that could be a little bit of a dilemma. Give me the Flying Scotsman or something, makes my decision a little bit easier. Right, this is the 1538 to Birmingham New Street from London Euston. Catch me off guard. 350-116 on the front. I'm seeing other passengers. 258 on the rear. Coventry, Canley, Tower Hill, Berkswell, Hampton and Arden, Birmingham International, Marston. Oh, yeah, straight to Birmingham, yeah. Why did I think it stops at Marston Green? I really do not know. Okay, I think 350-377 is now just about ready to lead away the 45 London Northwestern Railway service from Milton Keynes to London Euston. I'll just double check the time. Yeah, 15:45. Class. What are you advertising then? The Royal Shakespeare Company, Stratford-on-Avon. 350-101 is on the rear. Double shift train. There's another helicopter, it could be the same one. Hello. That was 39127 working 1 Sierra 78 from London to Glasgow.
carriages.
Okay, now approaching with the 1544 London Northwestern Railway service to Tring. Coming in about 5 minutes late. 350-261 on the front. Pretty sure I've already seen them today. $250 on the rear. Yes, these are the ones that brought me in earlier. Right, this will be 390-013 off to Manchester.
Help us improve what we do. Find out more at lnr.uk/pack.
Blackpool Belt. Okay, now approaching will be 390-002 for Avanti West Coast, working 1 Alpha 46 from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Stephen Sutton. Okay, now departing will be 377-703 with the 1552 Southern service to Clapham Junction.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here.
We also have coming in the 15.
Stand behind the yellow line.
The 1551 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street coming in from London Euston. Stops to pick up passengers only. $390-008. I can see a man in orange, which means that we may or may not end up getting a few tones between now and the end of the video. Could start from this Pendolino, which is working, I don't know, just either Manchester to London one or Birmingham to London. 390-151 Birmingham to London. Unknown soldier. Okay, now approaching it will be 390-114 for Avanti West Coast, working 1 Alpha 47 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston as the Birmingham service departs. Dead pigeon. City of God knows what, so if anyone knows what the name tag is, then please do let me know down in the comments below. Right, this will be 390-005 working 1 Mike 12 from Glasgow to London. Behind me should be 390-157 on his return with 1 Foxtrot 28 to Liverpool. Hello. City of Wolverhampton.
Platform 8, problem 16.
Chadvara.
Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley and Milton Keynes Central. This train has 8 carriages.
And this is off to Milton Keynes.
Bedford.
35237. With 368 on the rear. On their return. Lovely jubbly. Okay, now approaching me another pair of 350s working 1 uniform 4-1 from London Euston to Crewe. $352.55, $370 on the rear. Advertising Cadbury World in Bourneville. And I'll move over here as we also have, well, we have the Milton Keynes service departing. We also have another singular 350 coming in with a service from Tring to London Euston, 1602 to London. As there's loads of planes flying above me. Well, I'm going to say loads, one, but I've had loads, if you get what I mean. I think we're on the flight path into Heathrow, aren't
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop.
Nah, I thought I'd stand right on the edge. Do you know what? I thought I'd do a splits across. I thought I'd do the splits across both platforms.
Stand behind the yellow line.
Yeah. That'll be from Northampton to London. Pair of 350s from Northampton to London. They were cancelled between Birmingham and Northampton due to an issue with train crew.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform
350,
7 does not
10.
stop here. Please hold on to
Mind, you've already seen this one today. Just get it when you depart because you can't bother walking down that. You've got terrible eyesight. $353.71 all by himself.
We are sorry that the 16
Right, here goes the London train, 351.06, which I should have remembered, but you know, I'm a dude. Double life train. $390.46, 1 Hotel 30, London to Manchester. Sure, that signal that you can see in all these shots whenever I'm pointing the camera south really does not help. Because the only way I can actually see anything coming from the south really is either if I lean over the yellow line here or if I move over there. Quite annoying, not gonna lie. Because you just get caught, end up getting caught off guard by everything. Okay, this will be another pair of 350s working 1 Yankee 49 to Birmingham. 108 and 126 on their return. Okay, now approaching will be 390-020, working 1 Alpha 48 from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. And also departing will be the 1615 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston from Milton Keynes. 351.30 on the front. Free Spirit train, 253 on the rear. Okay, now approaching will be a terminating southern service from Clapham Junction. Behind me should be a freight train working 6 Oscar 71 from Daventry to Dollans Moor. Not too sure what it is yet.
Train to arrive at platform 8.
377-706.
Railway service to Tring. Calling at Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. This train has 8 carriages.
No sign of the freight train yet.
Text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted.
I honestly have no idea what this is. Could quite easily just be a 66. I reckon it would be DRS, wouldn't it? 66 or 88. One of the two. Have an 88. I've had enough 66s today. Right there. It's DB. It's a DB66. For Christ's sake. I was thinking it'd be like a intermodal one, but it's this one, isn't it? Yeah. Div. There's a flat wheel. A pretty big flat wheel as well, because you can hear it from here. 66057. That's the flat wheel. Oh, we got 319-219 with the delayed 1613 London Northwestern Railway service to Tring. On the rear is 319-220. Okay, we've got a pair of 350s here working 1 uniform 3-4 from Crewe to London. And 252. I'll move over here, so I think we're getting a 720 passing by. Just under an hour early, working 5 Quebec 83, I think it is, from Northampton to Wembley Intercity Depot. It was meant to be from Rugby, but it was cancelled between Rugby and Northampton due to the late arrival of an inbound service. I think it's 7:20. It's 7:20 anyway. It's a C2C one, I think, which is nice.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 16:24 London Northwestern Railway, service to Tring, calling at Kings Langley, Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted and Tring. This train has
7:26:01.
The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
This is 221, 115 and 104 going from Holyhead to London. Hello.
London Northwestern Railway, service to Tring, calling at Kings Langley.
Okay, now approaching is going to be the 16:24 London Northwestern Railway service to Tring.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please
Led in
hold
by
on to
35232.
pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
405 on the rear.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Right, there's people there who do not know how to stand behind the yellow line. Lads, it ain't that difficult. Stand behind the yellow line. 39011 here going from Manchester to London. City of Lichfield. Right, I am going to conclude this video there, guys, as I do intend to get the next train out of here to the Milton Keynes service. You can just see him around the corner there. Yeah, Watford Junction's been fantastic today. I do recommend it, all that stuff. I haven't really got time to do a full analysis. Don't know where my next station will be. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you enjoy this video, to leave a like, share with your friends, subscribe, leave a comment, and go and follow me on Twitter. There's a link in the description to that. And until my next station, whenever and wherever that will be, from me, the Clark Blue Train Spotter, here at Watford Junction, I shall catch you all later, guys. Cheerio.